Hey guys, it's ShanaJRay. Today I have the white noise machine by Dreamegg. This is the bedside table Dreamegg sound machine. So I have it right here. Super cute little machine, really convenient. Put this on your nightstand. It has so many different sounds on here. You can just turn this on. It's got the ring light right here. You've got the different sounds. It even has a timer, 30, 60, and 90 minutes, which is perfect when you're just trying to fall asleep or just get some background noise for a little bit. You've got nature sounds, music, and fan noises, water sounds. Really nice deep sounds. That sounds amazing. I love that deep hum. I prefer like water noises and fan noises, so that sounds so soothing to me. You've got the pulsating light as well as the steady light. I love wave crashing ocean sounds. And then you can just go through the timer with the timer button through the 30 seconds. You have aux ability as well, and the little pads on the bottom to keep it stable on the countertop. You can even plug this into a power bank because it has a USB port plug-in for the actual thing. It's very light and compact. You can still travel with this. It's just you just need to plug it up, but it gives you the capability to plug it up to virtually anything. It has like the little box for it and everything like that. This is the Dreamegg sound machine for the bedside table.